Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making location reliable. Enable location and set high accuracy. Next, sign into the exact Google account you use for Maps so edits attach to the right profile. Open the Google Maps app or go to Maps. Google.com. This matters because the interface for reporting and calibration differs slightly. Once done, tap the blue dot to center your location and check the timestamp. If the dot is missing, force restart the app and retry so you can proceed to correct placement. You now refine the pinpoint. Tap the blue dot and choose Calibrate or Improve Location Accuracy to use sensors and Wi-Fi data. This reduces GPS drift. Then press and hold where your location should be to drop a pin and drag the pin for pixel-level placement. If a place is wrong, open its details and tap Suggest an Edit or Report a Problem, then provide corrected address, marker position, and notes. Make sure to include photos or landmarks when possible to speed verification. You finish by saving edits and following any on-screen prompts. Google will verify changes and may email you. If your location still misbehaves, clear the app cache, update Google Maps, toggle location off and on, and restart the device to force a fresh GPS/AGS fix. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled even if not connected because it improves accuracy. If problems continue, report repeated issues through Help Send Feedback so Google can investigate and you get a permanent correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.